Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we share the best tips and tricks for mastering digital communication and marketing. Today, I am going to talk about the best engagement WhatsApp marketing tool. WhatsApp marketing is a type of digital marketing that uses the WhatsApp messaging app to reach and engage with customers. WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world, with over 2 billion active users. This makes it a great platform for businesses to contact with their target audience. There are many benefits to using WhatsApp marketing, including high engagement rates. WhatsApp has very high engagement rates, with over 90% of messages being opened within 3 minutes of being sent. And WhatsApp allows business to communicate directly with their customers on a personal level, and it supports a variety of rich media formats, such as images, videos, and GFS. This allows business to create more engaging and visually appealing content. So, the Rocket Send Chrome extension is the best engagement tool for WhatsApp marketing. It allows you to send WhatsApp messages to your contacts without having to save their phone numbers. The extension also includes a number of other features. First thing first, let's get the Rocket and Chrome extension installed. The link is available in the video description. Click on Add to Chrome. Once the extensions is installed, you will see the rocketsend.io icon in your Chrome toolbar. When you will click on it, it will open the WhatsApp web. Now it's time to log into WhatsApp. Web open. WhatsApp on your smartphone. Tap on the 3 dots in the upper right corner, select WhatsApp web. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen using your phone's camera. Now that we are all set up, let's dive into how you can use Rocket Send for WhatsApp marketing. So to send a message to multiple people, simply add the phone numbers. Here you can add phone numbers starting with country code, or you can use +sign in front of country code once you have added the contacts that you want to send the message to. Simply enter the message that you want to send in the message box. You can also add attachment, and when the Send Attachment feature is enabled, the most recent attachment you send to yourself will be forwarded to all contacts in the provided phone number list. You can attach image or video or document. And you can add a random time delay. This feature allows you to set a random delay between sending messages. This helps to avoid having your account blocked by WhatsApp once you're happy with your message. And the random delay, simply click on the Send WhatsApp button. Rocket Send will then start sending your message to all of the added contacts. And here are a few tips for using Rocket Send effectively for your marketing campaign, as not all of your WhatsApp contacts are going to be interested in the same thing. So it's important to sending your audience and send them targeted messages that are relevant to their interest, and use images and videos that can make your message more visually appealing and engaging. And people are more likely to engage with message that offers them something valuable, such as a discount or a piece of informative content. And the good thing is, they also have CSV upload feature. This feature allows you to upload a CSV file of phone numbers and send messages to them all at once. So simply create an Excel sheet with name and phone numbers. Choose the file, click on Open, and here you need to select the column with phone numbers. You can insert variable like name and phone numbers. Type your message here. You can also send attachments like photos and videos. And Rocket Send allows you to add a random delay between messages to avoid looking like spam. Once you have set everything up, it's time to start sending messages. Click on the Send WhatsApp button, and Rocket Send will begin sending your messages to the specified contacts. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? RocketSend.io is here to help. Head over to RocketSend.io and start your free trial today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.